closer to your dream. The windy big city is calling. All your bags are packed, you got your ticket for the plane, and you're ready to go. Don't need no sorries, apologies are not necessary. We'll have a really, really big party. Everyone's around, we're gonna play you for I'm happy, a little sad. I'm happy, a little sad. Da-dum, 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 I'm smiling, a little too hard, but I'm trying. A tiny few tears I'm drying. And everybody here is gonna miss you so much. I'll miss you so much.
사랑해요.
JJ's Jukebox Pen Wide Show. I really hope you enjoyed that piece because I have two people here who are going to tell you about what it is. So, Sergeant Atkinson and I have Sergeant Schultz in the building from Dragon Sound, the 8th Army Band. They performed on Humphreys Boothbox for you. So, tell me a little bit about the song that you just performed.
Well, the song we just performed is one that I wrote with Luke McQueen, one of my friends in Seoul.
Okay.
And in the Army, you have a lot of times where you're saying goodbye to people. And in Korea, it's kind of especially, you're regularly saying goodbye to people.
Mm-hmm.
And so we just, that's what I was thinking about while I was writing the song, is just all of the great friends that I've made while I was here.
Okay.
And how many of them have gone on to other places. And at this moment, I'm now going on to other places, going to go off and go to school now. So
Nice. Okay. Well, it was a beautiful song. Really, really loved it.
Thank you.
Especially with you playing the ukulele.
Yes, that's
Yes,
me.
it was wonderful. Well, tell me a little bit about Dragon Sound, the band.
Well, Dragon Sound, the band, is the popular music group of the 8th Army Band.
Mm-hmm.
And we play a mix of English and Korean popular music. And occasionally you might catch us doing a jazz set here and there. But we go out there, we play a lot of festivals, we play some different military events, and we just kind of share the good vibes to the people of Korea and show them that we really appreciate their support that we have and that we're here to support them.
No doubt. So what's coming up next then, since you guys, you're all over the place, and I love it because you just sound amazing.
Well, thank you very much. It's our pleasure. Later today, our jazz combo will be performing at the 2ID Black History Month event celebration at Freedom Chapel. I believe
Okay.
that's 1300. As well, we have kind of coming up, we'll be announcing this throughout the next several weeks, but in May, we're working on a concert series, a weekly concert series that's for the public to come and view us. And also wanted to mention on our Facebook page, we have a new Book Now button, which should make it a lot easier for anyone who wants to request the band. Just go there, click that button, and follow directions.
Nice. So what is the Facebook page / what to find you?
8th Army Band.
So 8th Army
Yes.
Band. Okay. All right. Facebook, 8th Army Band to find these guys. And I want to thank you for coming out, doing the beautiful piece that you wrote. It was amazing. And yes, we do say goodbye to our friends, but, as long as they stay in our hearts, right?
Yep.
All right. So we got more music coming at you. I want you to stay tuned right here on AFN The Eagle, serving America's best.